There once was a young and foolish dragon who came to ask a wise and cunning lion about acquiring his territory. Now, the lion, he wasn't interested, so he told the little dragon. But the dragon, he persisted. How could he? He started a war. So the lion took the little dragon for a walk and put 5 bullets in his little dragon head.
It's warming up now, isn't it?
There's a message in there. Maybe you can explain it to me.
The young succeed the old.
Enjoy the show.
Bang, 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 bang.
It's gonna get messy.
I forgot to wash my hands.
There's only one rule in this jungle. When the lion's hungry, he eats.
His name is Fahak, but spelled with a PH, so it sounds like Fahak.
Please! Conda for Hawk.
Please!